Fishing squid strip, but give it some time. I'm using an 8-ounce though, so it might be a little bit heavy too. First blood. Oh. Start. What is this? No, it's not start. That was quick. Oh, here we go, buddy. It's gonna be a wow, man. Fucking a lot of reeling. Hopefully it's not my super heavy weight. Oh no, did I catch you? Hopefully not. I might be on you, I don't know.
I don't know if I should check my weight or not. Halfway there. I was wrong.
Nah. Take it. Looks like you got one, man. That's a nice size. Using whole squid, right?
No, yeah.
No, yeah? No, yeah?
Looking things, the fish.
It's definitely a fish. You got one, dude. Oh, right there. Now you're on your fluoro. Your arm okay?
Yeah, man.
That looks like a big boy, man. Yeah, all the way to the bottom. See, he's reeling for a while.
That's coming good. Yeah, one go.
Got color, man. Wait. Oh, it's a big ass grouper, dude.
Nice.
Bounce it.
Nice.
Bam.
Nice.
Hey, let your reel loose.
Nice.
That took like no time. Woo! This is the big boy, Lee.
You got a big boy?
Yeah, I got a big boy.
Dude, get it.
Well, bigger than my other ones, I'll tell you that. Oh, it's fighting too.
Nice, get it, sucker.
Dang, that took like a second. Oh, stalking on me, man. Oh, creeper. Oh.
I was still thinking of straight home. Yeah, that'd be cool too.
Damn.
God damn.
It's either super deep or he's like a big boy, or my 8-ounce weight is.
One boy. You ever went out this one? No, I've gone so far, I've caught one, but last one I came to do, I caught one that was like,
Man, I wish I brought a belt. Come on to me, grouper.
oh, look at him, nice. Got you a grouper.
Yours was bigger though. 36.
With the French toast. that byline, dude. I don't believe so. I don't know. Somebody. We don't have like each other's line.
Put an anchovy on there, bro. On your next bait. Anchovy. Dang.
He doesn't like the water.
A new one. Fucking shit. I'm on the spot, man. I'm on the fucking spot. Make some numbers for y'all today. Dude, cast it out over there a little bit.
Yeah,
with the fucking anchovy or sardine, whatever it is.
Yeah, big guy?
Probably. Not as big as the other one, I think. The other one actually fought back pretty good.
What did you use? Just anchovy?
Yep. Oh. Come on, Lingard. Booyah! Number 2.
Ooh, it's nice.
Ah. 36.
Dude, I got this again.
You shut up, put another bait on there, and then I will cast it for you.
Nice,
you get?
there he is.
Yeah!
Nice, dude. Hey, bounce.
Right at the spot, huh? Over.
Over, down. There you go.
Dude, that's the spot right there, Lee.
Dude. What number, man? 38. First deep sea in it. Dude.
Deep sea.
Well, somewhat deep. Non-lake.
I like that. That's a good one, bro. It is deep though. It's like 200 something feet, you know.
You get kind of frustrated, you know, all of a sudden.
Can't hold it. Let's keep on the tradition.
Alright.
Yeah, buddy, go. Just go, reel, just reel.
It almost felt like you did.
Well, I gotta make sure it's not someone's lines. It looks like it's a fish though, to me at least.
Yeah, this is a fish. Right?
Take your time, take your time. Yeah, hopefully. It's a spot. Just cast it right there, pretty much. Yeah.
Right. Oh, dude, I think it's a big one.
He's like, oh, fuck it, man. I'm gonna put it on here. Hold it, bro. Good job. My pole's killing
I
it.
didn't ask what color. Dude.
I hope he gets him hooked up on this one too. Like, here you go.
What?
He's like, no.
Which bag is that fish going in?
Mine.
That's what I want to know.
Yeah, it's on his pole. Of course, that happened there.
Yeah, buddy. Bounce it. All the way up. All the way up.
Green line again.
Yeah, that green line, something's going on. Got stuck on his many times. Here you go.
Got it?
Switch. Yeah, I got it. That's some big reds.
Another one?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You hitting bottom and reeling up?
All the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. Every time. And toss it out a little bit. Dude, this guy's big on it.
Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah. I just flick it out right over there.
Where?
Just flick it out straight where I'm looking at. Where my pole's pointing, pretty much. I'm glad he taught you how to fucking do the hook because, or tie, because I'm fucking busy. Dude, I'm killing it today, man. I told you I had a good feeling today, huh? I hope this is a link cod that you missed.
Right? Nice. You see him?
Yep, I see him. Another grouper. So if I have too much, I'll give you some.
You already have 3 in your bag of these?
36?
You already have 3 of
I'm not sure. If not, it's 38 then.
these? Alright, put it in 30.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, dude. There's limit. You okay? Had 3 groupers?
Limit. Got my limit. Hey, reel it up and then I'll toss it for you. That all right?
I know.
Hey, at least you got the fight that you came here for. Bam! Bounce it. There you go.
Nice. You got it?
Dude, I wonder how many salmon grouper I have in my bag. Hey, Lee, how many did I catch?
You got at least 3. So,
Okay.
another?
Yeah. It's that spot, dude. All the fucking grouper is like in one spot. I'm sure there's a grouper too. Lee, how many grouper you have?
I have 1.
Okay. You're 37, right?
Yeah.
If it's bigger than my other one, I'm gonna take this one. Oh, it's fighting.
I don't know if I want with a chance.
Toss it, man.
Yeah, grouper. A little bit different than Twilight.
Yeah. Put that one in 37.
Whenever you.
I'm 36, but I'm filled.